So today is actually lies, not today. Yesterday was the first day of fall. Summer is done. And you know fall time is here because my coconut oil just started getting hard. So you know summertime is done. But anyway, so now that fall is here, I want to give you guys my favorite products. Very inexpensive, very easy to make. Favorite products to basically refresh your locks. So when your locks are dry and your roots are dry and you just want to get them nice and moisturized, nice and refreshed again, these are the products that I use that have helped me. So these are my favorite lock products that are very inexpensive that you can use to refresh your locks. Number one, and this might seem very obvious or like I'm cheating basically, but simple water. You get a spray bottle like this. You can get these really cheap at your local Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. They have lots of different spray bottles. Put some water in there. Simply just spritz the roots. Rub. You're done. You can add a lot of different things to the water to make it even better, which is what I'm going to start talking about next. But water is going to be the base for everything. And I want to keep this very simple, very inexpensive homemade products. Just water by itself, spritz, 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 you're good to go. Next, with water being the base, I'm going to talk about a few things you can add to the water. Not much, but one of my ultimate favorite things to add to water to moisturize my locks and to refresh my locks when it's dry is my rose water. I know, water and water. So a little bit of water plus this rose water. This is the rose water that I use. I get it from Amazon. It's Elma and Sana. It's the Moroccan rose water, pure rose water. It's the Elma and Sana pure organic Moroccan rose water. And what I will do is put a little bit of this with some water. Same process. Spritz, 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 spritz. Good to go. Done. That's it. Nothing else. Walk away. Come back. Next is, like I said, water being the base again. Water is essential. The next product that you can add to water to basically refresh your locks is glycerin. Can you see it? Can you see it? I hope so. There we go. I use vegetable glycerin. This one is from Now Solutions and is the vegetable glycerin, 100% pure, versatile. It's 100% pure and it's versatile for skincare also. It's supposed to soften and moisturize. It's a multi-purpose glycerin. So I just put a little bit of this in the water also. Spritz, 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 spritz. And what it does, it just pulls moisture to your hair. And that helps you have a more moisturized, more boom, beautiful scalp. So when I want to refresh my locks, water by itself, or water with rose water, or water with vegetable glycerin. Okay, so thumbs up this video if it was informative. Let me know in the comment section what you use to moisturize or refresh your locks, and definitely leave suggestions below. Definitely leave suggestions or questions or comments below with more videos that you want to see from me. And if you like this video, hit it with a thumbs up so I can know to continue doing stuff like this. I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you and definitely enjoy your journey.